All right, this is where we're at. I got the motor back together. Got the Permatex for the crank case gasket. Yeah. FB 460V. Yeah, Kawasaki. Anyway, yeah, I got that bastard out of there. I got it out with an easy out. Yeah, that's a curb jet. Where the hell's the camera? There we are. I barely got it out of that thing. I got one more to go. But the guy that had this before me, he stripped it, man, and put it back together. And there were no threat. See the screw? Shit, I can't video over there. There was no screw. There was no way to turn it. But anyway, as soon as I get that carb back on, this motor, we're gonna find out if it's any good. I didn't want to spend anything on this, but it looks like I'll have to get a needle valve. Maybe I can get away with that's it. Yeah. There we go. No plugs over here. Anyway, that's the this here is a 1986 John Deere 52. That is a 1987 John Deere 52. And this in the front wheels, of course. But they made so many changes. Holy crap. And on the, oh yeah, my wife, she got me these for my birthday, man. Look at this technical manual for these things. I don't know how she did it. I guess she ordered them on eBay. But this is a lot. I'm sure they were expensive. That's technical manual, parts catalog, you know, operators, parts catalog. Holy crap. Yeah. But even in here, where is that? Oh, technical manual. Here we go. In the beginning of this, it says, this is a complete revision of whatever the last one, I guess. Please disregard all the... Oh, fuck, I can't...